Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very special video. As you can tell by the title, it's going to be a Zara haul with winter collection of course. But before moving on to the video, can we just take a moment to appreciate what's going on over here? Like, मुझे 2 घंटे लगे इसको सेटअप करने में एंड आई फाइंड इट प्रिटी क्यूट, डोंट यू थिंक? और अगर आपको भी अच्छा लग रहा है ये सेटअप, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन प्लीज़। हाँ, और अच्छे कमेंट्स करना, बहुत मेहनत लगी है यार। एनीवेज, मूविंग ऑन टू द हॉल, these are the boxes that I have with me from Zara। और इस बार मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ फैंसी ऑर्डर नहीं किया है फॉर यू गाइज। बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ें हैं दैट यू कैन like wear on a daily basis and you can style it in different ways. So let's just not waste any more time and start with the video. Okay, so let's open this box first. Let me see इसमें क्या था, मुझे याद भी नहीं है। Okay, so this is the first item. It's a self-knitted top from Zara. इसका I think 3/4 sleeve है and also it has turtleneck. So this top is like very basic. आप इसको कैसे भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो with a blue denim और maybe with a skirt, और आप इसको जैकेट के साथ, ब्लेजर के साथ कैसे भी पहन सकते हो। It looks very smart in every way. और इसका निटिंग बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है, मतलब एक तो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है टॉप, बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है। So let's just not waste any more time and let's see how is it gonna look on me. So this is how it looks guys, and I am in love with this look. I mean, just look at this. I actually have a thing for turtlenecks, I don't know, but I kind of like it and I am pretty much liking this overall look also. What do you think guys? It's such a basic top, हर किसी के साथ जाता है, और यही मेरे को ना बेसिक चीज़ों की, बेसिक टॉप्स की बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ लगती है कि आपको ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता एंड यू कैन स्टाइल इट इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे यू कैन। सो yeah, I think I'm going to give this look an 8. No, I think I should give this look a 9 out of 10, right? Alright, now moving on, the next piece that I have with me is this black top. It's pretty basic, again it has a turtleneck and yeah, I actually like it। बहुत ही basic top है, कैसे भी आप इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ जाएगा, आपकी ब्लू डेनिम्स के साथ जाएगा, आपकी वाइट डेनिम्स के साथ जाएगा, अंडर योर ब्लेजर और एनीथिंग इफ यू वांट टू वेयर इट विद। सो या, दिस इज इट and I'm gonna quickly try this and see how is it gonna look. Alright you guys, so this is how it looks and I am in love with this look. Like seriously, I have styled this black top with this scarf and a very chic belt over here and of course you can try it. और मुझे बेसिकली ये जो बेसिक्स होते हैं इनकी सबसे अच्छी चीज़ यही लगती है कि यू कैन पेयर इट अप विद एनीथिंग यू वांट, लाइक अ स्कार्फ और मे बी a skirt or maybe an oversized coat. So yeah, I just love this look. It's very nice, it's very warm and cozy. So yeah, and I think I should give this look a 9 out of 10 or maybe a 10 out of 10. Alright, moving on to the next item that I got is this black faux leather skirt and it comes with this back zipper over here. तो बहुत ही टाइम से मेरा मन था कि मैं ये ब्लैक स्कर्ट लूँ एंड फाइनली आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस एंड ऑल्सो इट लुक्ड क्वाइट प्रॉमिसिंग ऑन द मॉडल। मुझे नहीं पता मेरे ऊपर कैसा लगेगा, बट या आई रियली वॉन्टेड दिस। एक्चुअली इट लुक्स pretty cool with thigh high boots or maybe a self knitted pullover with it. So yeah, this is it. I'm just going to try it on and see how is it gonna look on me. So this is how it looks guys, and oh my god, I am in love with this look, like seriously. This skirt fits me perfectly and I have styled this with a leather jacket and my thigh high boots and I am in love with this look, like seriously. ये मेरा favorite winter outfit होने वाला है, and if you are looking for something edgy and if you want to look very chic, then I think this is the look for you. And just love it. I think I'm gonna give this look maybe an 11 out of 10 because I'm liking it so much. Alright you guys, moving on to the next item. This is the dress that I got, and look at this. It's looking pretty nice, right? I just loved its puffy sleeves, as you can see. I love the neckline of this dress. I love everything about this dress actually. This ruching effect all over. Actually ruching effect से क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि it's going to cinch you in places and makes you look even more prettier. Also it comes with this back zipper. काफ़ी बड़ा zipper है, so you have to open it up and then you can wear it. Otherwise ये नहीं फंसेगा ड्रेस आपको. So yeah, let's just try and see how is it gonna look. So this is how it looks guys, and oh my god, I am in love with this dress. Like seriously, I love everything about this dress. It is cinching me on places. और मैं थोड़ी पतली लग रही हूँ of course इसको पहन के. And I actually love these sleeves. I have a thing for such puffy sleeves and such necklines also. And I love this ruching effect all over which is going on in here. So yeah, I'm pretty much liking this, and I think I might give this dress a 9 out of 10. Alright, moving on to the next item that I have is this white top again. As you can see, it's an off-shoulder top. Self knitting में है ये भी. White नहीं है actually, थोड़ा सा off-white shade है. Full sleeves का top है ये भी. And I think it looks quite amazing with your denims and maybe a skirt also. तो मुझे तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and let's put it on and see how is it gonna look. So this is how it looks guys, and I kind of like this look of blue और white color. It's a classic pair, and मैं थोड़ी सी मोटी लग रही हूँ. मैं actually मोटी हूँ थोड़ी, so please avoid that. But yeah, I mean this off shoulder thing is kind of adding a grace to this look, I would say. So yeah, I'm pretty much liking it. What do you think? मैं थोड़ी मोटी लग रही हूँ इसीलिए I would give this look an 8 out of 10 maybe. But if you are vibing with this look, you should definitely go for it. Like seriously, you should go for it. Alright you guys, moving on to the last item of this haul. This is the shirt that I got. And look at this beauty. बहुत ही प्यारी शर्ट है, like seriously. और I think कैमरे में शायद पता नहीं रिकॉर्ड हो भी रहा है या नहीं, but there are few stripes all over this shirt. बहुत ही पतली stripes हैं, और इसके जो these cuffs and collar is in white color, and I just love this thing. Like seriously, I'm in love with it. और आप इसको एज अ फॉर्मल शर्ट और इनफॉर्मल भी पहन सकते हो. इट विल गो विद एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो लेट्स जस्ट नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम एंड सी हाउ इज इट गोना लुक ऑन मी. So this is it guys, this is how it looks, and I am in love with this look. Like seriously, it is just perfect for your office or for your meeting. Like look at this, I just love this thing, especially. And yeah, I just love the look, I love the vibe, and also you can pair it up with your bag, a decent structured bag like this, and you are just ready to go. What do you think? I am in love with this look, like seriously. So yeah, I'm going to give this look a 10 out of 10. So this is it guys, I hope you all liked the video, and let me know in the comment section below आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा outfit पसंद आया. और yeah, I'm going to put all the links of these clothes in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. और अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. और yeah, I'm going to see you super soon. Bye.